Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to take this opportunity to help you guys let us help you. And so basically, when you're picking up a programming language or just the programming skills in general, you're going to have problems and you're going to do things incorrectly, most likely. Hopefully not, if I've done a good job at explaining things you shouldn't. But even still, you most likely will make some small problems. In PHP, it's common that a lot of beginners, well, actually a lot of advanced programmers as well, will face eventually the fact that they're troubleshooting a problem for 8 hours and pulling their hair out, and then they realize that the problem was just that they missed a semicolon on line 56. And luckily with Python, we're not going to have that problem with the semicolon. However, a lot of the problems that you might encounter are likely going to be very simple like that. And so I want to show you guys a way to let us help you better and also for you guys to help each other. When you have a problem with your code and you want it reviewed or want someone to look at it and see if they can find the problem, because sometimes looking at your own code for a really long time trying to find a problem, you're looking at it too close and you need to stand back. And sometimes you just can't get the proper perspective to figure out the problem yourself. So you guys are going to have to share your code. In the discussion to the right of this video, you're going to, basically say, hey, I got a problem with this and this is what I'm trying to do. But you're also going to include a link to Pastebin. So if you guys don't know what Pastebin is, it's pastebin.com. And you basically come here and you're going to copy and paste your code in here. Now also you have a way to highlight for certain syntax. In this case, it's going to be Python. Paste exposure should be public or unlisted. Basically, if it's unlisted, anybody that you give the link to will be able to view it. And then you can also title it. And then you just create the new post, and then it's going to give you a URL. So I'm just going to do this really quickly so that you guys can have an example. So I'm going to write out a simple line of code here that wouldn't work. It wouldn't do anything. But then I'm going to share it. You can set expiry, so just leave this to never. Paste exposure can be public or unlisted, and you can give the name problem instantiating WebPy. And I've selected the syntax highlighter of Python because that's the programming language we're using, and then just click Create New Paste. Now, as you can see, it did syntax highlight it. It gives it line numbers and everything. You can download it, you can clone it, etc. Now, all you need to do to share it is just come up to the address bar here and just copy this, and you're going to put that link in the discussion section to the right of the video so that when we look at the problem that you're having, we can come here and see your code and we can tell you, okay, well, the problem is on line 12 and this is what's wrong with it. And then you can modify it accordingly. Now this also allows we can copy this into our own code editors and then run your program on our computer just by copying the text. So that's going to be helpful as well. So thank you guys for watching this video and for joining this course. And I'm excited to get started. This is going to be fun.